Katie. Hi, Dennis. Hi, Landon. It's Miss Lisa, the art teacher. Welcome back to my table of art. It's been some time since I sat and talked with you guys. I miss you guys so much. Dennis, I forgot how to sign my colors. I remember orange, red, blue, purple, green. I need your help, Dennis. Help me learn my sign colors again. Hey, guess what? This week is all around the world. I heard you guys are doing Canada. Do you know what Canadians are famous for? Well, they're famous for their maple syrup. And you know what? The flag that represents Canada has the maple leaf on it. See that? That's my maple leaf. You know what the animal of Canada is? Can you guess? It's the beaver. Like a beaver with big teeth like me. Remember, the Canadians, the most popular animal there, and they're known for, is their beavers. And beavers build dams along the riverbanks so that it stops all the water from flooding up Canada. So remember, the animal for Canada is the beaver. Well, I think I'm going to take these out for now because they're starting to stick to my teeth. That's me. I'm Miss Lisa. Back to normal. How you guys doing? I hope you're enjoying my art projects. And I hope you're going to enjoy your week of around the world. I have a really cool project ready for you guys. And it's all about the maple leaf and a Japanese saying called notan. Notan. It's a Japanese term, and it means light and dark harmony. So what we're going to do not light and dark harmony, because notans can also be complementary colors, cool colors, warm colors, but we're going to do complementary colors. Do you know what a complementary color is? Let's think back to our color wheel. Do you remember the color wheel? Okay, so since I'm going to try to bring this down so you can see everything. A complementary color is a color that's on the opposite of the color wheel to the opposite color. So if you look straight down, yellow goes straight down, and its complementary color would be which? Katie, do you know which it would be? If yellow is on this end of the color wheel, and if I go directly across, what color is that? Purple. Purple, yellow, complementary colors. Dennis, how about red and green? Green? Did I do it right? Green? Green. Red, go directly across the color wheel. Red to green. Those are the complementary colors. And how about orange? Landon, what would be the complementary color for orange? Do you see the color wheel? Go directly across the color wheel. What color is directly across from orange? Blue. Very good, Landon. Blue. So, what we're going to do, I'm sending you all different pieces of paper with all different colors. I want you to organize them so they are together with complementary colors. So if I went into this pack and I decided to start with orange, I need to find the complementary color for orange. Let's go back to the color wheel. Here is my orange. Orange. What is the complementary color for orange? Let's follow directly across my color wheel. Blue. Blue is the complementary color for orange. So find your blue paper in the pile I sent you. I think I found it. Blue. So blue and orange are complementary colors. Now, I want you to pick one of these papers to trace the maple leaf that is on the Canadian flag. I lost my leaf. Hang on, I gotta find it. I just had it. You saw, I showed you it. It might be stuck in the middle of these papers. Uh-oh, I lost my maple leaf. Hold on one second. I have to go find the leaf. Would you believe it was right in front of me? All right, so take your 2 sheets of complementary colors. One is going to stay just the way it is. The other one, fold in half, then cut it in half, right along the fold line. Get your scissor and cut it in half. So now I have a small piece of orange and a larger piece of blue. I'm going to take my maple leaf and trace half of it onto the orange paper. Line up the top point with the paper and the bottom of the stem halfway, and trace the maple leaf onto the paper. Now I only traced half of the maple leaf on the orange paper. Now very carefully cut that out. Very carefully. It's important that you only cut where the lines are. Very important, only cut where the lines are. And I'll show you why that's important when I finish cutting my maple leaf out, okay? This is good scissor practice, good cutting practice. Try to be as accurate as possible. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. We're learning. We have to make mistakes in order to learn. Okay, so now I have 2 pieces. Sort of like a puzzle if I put it right back in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue 1/2 of the orange paper onto the blue paper. I'm going to line it up with the corners. You see that? And I'm going to glue it in place. You do the same thing. Get my glue stick. This project's really pretty when it's done. I love this project. I hope you do too. So, Katie, Katie, beautiful lady. Okay, Katie, look at this. Here's the front. Here's the back with all my glue. Now I'm going to stick it onto the blue paper. Line it up the best you can. Okay? That's one side of the square that I cut out. Now I have the other piece that goes right there, but I'm going to flip it over. Sorry. I'm going to flip it over so it's the opposite side, and I'm going to glue that in place. So it looks like a mirror image. They're symmetric on both sides. Symmetric on both sides. Symmetry. Line the point up. Line the stem up. Glue this in place. Okay? Complementary colors done using the Notan Japanese style of light and dark harmony. However, we're doing complementary colors also in harmony. Okay? Let me go glue my piece and you go glue yours. Remember, it's the flip it over, so it's like a mirror image. Got my glue. Voila! How beautiful is that? You have your Canadian maple leaf, famous for their maple syrup, which I love, by the way, especially on my pancakes. My girlfriend's Canadian. She brings me back the maple syrup. And don't forget their beaver with the beaver teeth. That's their animal. And you have other sheets of paper. I want you to get the other ones. Find their complementary colors. Look at your color wheel. Remember your color wheel. The colors that are on the opposite side from each other. We did blue and orange. Now I want you to do green and red the same way. Purple and yellow the same way. And I also threw in a pink and lime green. Ooh, that's a beautiful set of complementary colors. Okay, boys and girls. Dennis, Landon, Kate, I miss you guys very much. I can't wait till we're together again. You guys are so good at art. Landon, I hope you're doing fine. I haven't seen you for a while. I miss you too. And I hope you enjoy doing this project. And I hope you enjoy learning about Canada. Oh, Canada, oh, Canada. I think that's their song. All right, kids. This is Miss Lisa saying ciao for now from my table of art. I hope to see you soon. I miss you, and I love you guys. Bye-bye. Hey, listen. Take a picture of what you do. Send it to your teacher. She'll send it to me. I can't wait to see it. All right. Bye, kids. Enjoy.